Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing the Botane hair removal cream that claims painless hair removal in just minutes with natural ingredients, but after using it ourselves, we seriously need to talk about the red flags, skin reactions, and why many people are calling it a scam. Let's start with what it promises. No razor burns, no waxing pain, just apply, wait, and wipe off the hair. We tested it on legs and underarms, and immediately the first problem was the strong chemical smell, which doesn't match the all-natural herbal formula they advertise. After applying, we waited the recommended 7 minutes and wiped it off. And yes, the hair did come off, but not cleanly. There were patches left behind, and the skin felt irritated and slightly burning. Within a few hours, redness and itching appeared, and the next day, small bumps started showing. Pros: it removes surface hair faster than shaving. It's painless during application, and it's convenient when you're in a rush. Cons: the formula feels harsh, not natural at all. Strong chemical smell, left irritation and bumps, inconsistent hair removal. And to make things worse, the company has poor customer service and no refund policy. Some customers even reported being charged extra without permission. Also, it doesn't stop hair growth. Hair grows back in 2 to 3 days, just like shaving. So, after using it, do we think it's a scam? In our experience, yes, because the marketing doesn't match reality. This has been how to lure you keep it smart and simple and scam-free.